Data location measurement. Percentile. Percentile, P, is one of data location measurement. Percentile performed by arranging data from minimum to maximum, then divide the set of data into 100 equal parts. This results in 99 points, and each point is first percentile, P1, second percentile, P2, third percentile, P3, 99th percentile, P99. Thus, P1 is location which tells that 1/100th of overall data is less than data at this location. P2 is location which tells that 2/100th of overall data are less than data at this location. P3 is location which tells that 3/100th of overall data are less than data at this location. Through P99 is location which tells that 99/100 of overall data is less than data at this location. Finding percentile. There are two methods for finding percentile. 1. Percentile of ungrouped data can be determined as follows. 1. Arranging data from minimum to maximum. 2. Find location of percentile from this formula. Location of Px equals xn plus 1 over 100, when n is numbers of all data. For example, if x equals 1, then location of P1 equals 1 n plus 1 over 100. If x equals 78, then location of P78 equals 78 n plus 1 over 100. 3. Find value of percentile by counting for location from 2. Percentile is data of that location. If location is not matched with data, we use rule of 3 to solve for that percentile. Example. Heights in centimeters of students are as follows. Example. Math scores of 15 students are as follows. Find percentile of score 80. 2. Percentile of grouped data can be found in following procedure. Find cumulative frequency of each class interval. Find percentile location from formula. Location of Px equals to nx over 100, x equals 1, 2, 3 through 99. Find class interval of the percentile. Find value of percentile using rule of 3 or formula. Px equals L plus nx over 100 minus summation Fl over Fpx times I, when L represents lower boundary of class which percentile resides. Fl represent cumulative frequency of lower class that lower than percentile class. Fpx represents frequency of percentile class. I represents interval of percentile class. N represents total numbers of data. Example. Math scores of students are as follows. Find the following. 1. 90th percentile. 2. Percentile of score 55. Vocabulary. Mean, median, mode, arithmetic, deviation, evidence, interpretation, quantitative.
1. Find P90 location of P90 equals 54. From formula Px equals L plus x equals 90, L equals 79.5, N equals 60, equals 49 equals 10, I equals 10. Substitute P90 equals 79.5 plus equals 79.5 plus 5. P90 equals 84.5, thus P90 equals to 84.5. 2. From formula 55 equals L plus Px equals 55, L equals 49.5, N equals 60, equals 7 equals 8, I equals 10. Substitute 55, x equals 49.5 plus 55 to 49.5 equals 5.5, x equals 4.4 plus 7 equals x equals 19, thus score 55 is 19th percentile.